Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thanks so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, March 21st. Happy spring to everybody. If you're over here in the northern hemisphere, happy fall, I guess, down below. Hope you guys are doing great. Everything is good here. I'm having some sinus issues, but I always do this time of year. So so I've been dealing with that, but otherwise, yeah, things are good. I have a few crafty things to share with you this week. Not too much. I have some new like home decor things too. I figured I would show you as well. So and then a few crafty updates at the end. So we'll get started with very exciting glue. This is Fabri-Tac, and I got this at Michael's because I think I forgot to show you this last week. I had a 40% off coupon. So I picked this up there. I was running low on Fabri-Tac anyway, so I love to use this glue, not just fabric, but for all sorts of, paper crafting things. So this is good stuff. Doesn't smell the greatest, but it works well. So I got that, and then another not interesting thing, I picked up some sticky notes from Target today, just in pastel colors, and I realized I really cannot find or don't have any sticky notes in my craft room, so I picked those up. So yeah, we're off to a very exciting start. I went to Joann's last weekend, and I think paper crafting was 25% off at that time. And I just got a few things. I picked up these 6 inflated ephemera. These came out a while ago. They're from Amy Tangerine, and yeah, it was 2018. And those are the cute little tags you get. This was $1, so it was 25% off, so it was only 75 cents. I should have gotten all the ones I had, but I wasn't sure if it was $1 because it was hanging on a peg in the regular crafting, like paper crafting section. I thought the dollar things were in a different area, but I guess who knows where they're putting stuff at Joann's these days. So so I got that, and I just think they're really cute and different, and figured I would use them somehow. I bought a few sketchbook things from B. Valent, and I was working with her paper pad, which I've had already, so I just picked up a few other things. I got these enamel dots. I don't know how much it was. I can't find my receipt, but everything was, really cheap when I got it. So I thought these were beautiful. There's like I don't know if that's black or dark blue. It's probably black. There's dark blue right next to it. And then there's a pretty aqua and a pale pink and a yellow, and I love all those colors for crafting. So I picked up that. And then I got these stickers to go with them, and they're just so pretty. They look so Maggie Holmes to me. Maggie Holmes, like the bunny and everything. And it's just really pretty. I love the paper. It's gorgeous. So I figured I would pick these up. It's got some like sentiments down here you could add to tags and some strips. I love this one. It's got scalloping and little holes that pop out. So I got that. And then I just found this one paper from Sketchbook, and it is a Fresh Start, I guess is the name of the paper. It's just such a pretty floral, and so I just grabbed this. That's the back of that one. And that was all I got from Joann's. I didn't get any more of the open stock paper. I probably will next time I go. Who knows when they're going to close. They could close all of a sudden and not tell anybody anything. So, it's good to just keep an eye on things. Oh, there was a pack of paper. It was a Halloween paper pack. I think it was the Park Lane brand, but it was like different shades of purple. So I brought that up and thought that it would be, a good price, but it was only 25% off. So it was like 7 something. And I thought, forget it. So I didn't get that. And my cat is running around like crazy, in case you hear that. So then let me just show you a few other things I've picked up this week. I got this. This is, I guess, kind of crafty. This is some pretty ribbon I got at Homegoods from Cupcakes and Cashmere. And it's this really gorgeous yellow and a pretty eyelet trim. And it was $3.99. It's 2.5 inches by 5 yards. I love when it says product does not contain cashmere. It just cracks me up every time. So this is wired, I believe, and I'm not exactly sure where I'll use it. I was thinking that it would make a gorgeous bow for a front door wreath. So that's kind of why I got it. Oh yeah, isn't that pretty? Some of the little things aren't popped out, but that's typical for ribbon like this. And it's just, oh, it's just so, so pretty. And they had some other patterns. This was the only like solid one they had, but I picked this one up. I think one had like bees on it too. So anyway, I got that at Homegoods. And then I got this candle at Homegoods too. It's by DW Home. You know, I love this brand. Last week I showed you the strawberry cream one. This one is limoncello tiramisu, and it smells so good. It's a 2-wick candle, and it's like it's a bakery lemon smell. So if you like bakery scents like that, you'll love this. And this was $9.99, and it's really nice and big. This is, let's see, 15.3 ounces. So this will last a good while. I like that it has 2 wicks, so it'll burn evenly, you know, burn out to the edges of the glass. And it's so pretty, the top too. I might give it to my dad and stepmom when I'm going to go see them next weekend in the city. And she's Italian, so she might like this, but I don't know. We'll see, because I have other stuff to get them, and we'll see how much I have. But that could be for either of us. And then at Homegoods, all right, I'm decorating my hutch this summer in like a fruit theme. I've done lemon before. Last year I did patriotic. I'm going to do all fruits this year. So I saw these like casserole dishes in different fruits. So I picked them both up, and it's by Potter's Studio. And it was, where's the price? Oh, only $7.99. So I thought that was a really good deal. And it's this really pretty, this is the blueberry one, obviously. Let's open it up and see if there's a pattern inside. They had other pieces in this pattern, like they had a loaf dish that had, you know, like blueberries on the inside. And I think there was a pie plate too. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this off without cutting it. All right. So no pattern on the inside, but it's so cute. So I thought these would look really nice in my hutch, you know, along with like my other fruit decor. I have a lot of lemon decor, and I have some strawberry stuff too. I just love dishes. I have a lot of fruit things from Temptations from QVC, so I'll mix some of that in there. So there's that one, and then I got the cherry one as well, and this was the same price, $7.99. And it's really nice ceramic. I mean, you could totally use these to bake in, which maybe I would do. I like to use my dishes as well, but anyway, so I got both of those. I wanted to share that with you. And I guess that was it from my shopping this week. I guess I didn't really do too much in stores. I did place a Temu order. I realized I didn't have like many like summery cabochons and charms, so I did an order like basically all that stuff. So that should be here for next week's haul. And then I'm going to be doing a couple more collaborations with Temu. So I just put in my order for that. So that's a mixture of like crafty stuff and other things too. So, you know, that'll be a sponsored haul when that one gets here, and then one after that as well. So lots of Temu stuff coming. I've really enjoyed watching your guys' Temu hauls. That gives me, you know, inspiration and ideas of what to get and what to look for. So thank you guys for sharing yours. And let's see what else. Oh, I'm working on some Scrap Diva Designs projects. So I'll have another video out probably this weekend as usual. And I know that the April release was mailed out recently to the design team members, of which I am one. So that will be coming soon. So I'm sure we'll be able to do previews next week. So looking forward to that. I've heard through the grapevine that it's a Western kind of theme. So that'll be so much fun. I've got some stuff ready to go. So looking forward to that. And that is about it for this week, guys. Sorry it's kind of short, but you know, it's the ebb and flow of shopping, I guess. So let me know what you guys are up to. What are you doing this weekend? It's been so nice and warm out, but that's why I have sinus problems. So, you know, you got to take the bad with the good, I guess. But hopefully I'll be able to do some more things outside and some spring cleaning around the house. Got to get that done. So yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys are up to. I love reading your comments, and if I can't respond, or if I, just don't have a chance to respond, I always give a heart for your comment to let you know that I read it and I appreciate it. So please, thank you so much. If I don't respond, don't write a comment. Please, don't be offended or anything. Sometimes I just run out of time, but I do read them all and appreciate them and love interacting with you guys. So have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back soon, of course, more crafty videos. Thanks so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. I'd love to have you around on my channel, and so glad that you're here and that you found me on YouTube. All right, you guys, I will be back soon. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.